Okay guys, we are unboxing the 78-inch Neewer Pro video with a ball head. Link in the description below from Amazon. So it comes in this box, and then it still comes in this box. Comes with a strap. You can put it right here, and you have a sling. Put it over your shoulder. In another bag. Also in the bag, guys, is Allen's wrenches, owner's manual, and the handle for the fluid head. Take it outside and give you some shots of it.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we seeing the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never.
Turn the dampening knob for a smooth vertical 90-degree tilt. Release the padlock knob for a full 360-degree rotation. Release the leveling bowl in uneven terrain. Fully rotatable handle for customability. This tripod can reach heights as tall as 78 inches. For reference, that's 6 feet 5 inches. Filming in rocky terrain, no problem. Under these non-slip silicone shoes reveal spiked feet. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.